Talk about what a homeowner can do about their own maintenance of their garage door.
You know,
We talked a lot about what not to do. What's one thing they can do?
A homeowner could do one thing would be to lubricate the door, once every 6 months. There's actually an industry study that was done that showed that lubrication of the spring and the door system can actually extend the life of that spring system up to 40%.
Now,
That's significant.
What am I lubricating? Because at the beginning of the hour, you said don't put it on the rollers or track. So what am I physically lubricating?
You want to hit any point of metal-to-metal contact. So you've got hinges on the doors. They have a little shackle that moves. You want to lubricate the hinge. Modern garage doors have these torsion springs. They twist up to lift the door. Each one of these coils is rubbing against each other. You want to lubricate the spring, which is normally above the door.
And what are we going to lubricate that with?
Well, you don't want to use your grandfather's WD-40. That's good stuff, but we don't like it.
Yeah, it has its purpose, but it's not for this.
That's right. The industry standard is either white lithium grease or clear silicone lubricant. Both are good in Arizona. Neither is going to collect a lot of dust. Both are going to stay on the door and allow those parts to stay lubricated as it goes.
And that's simple as just taking a step stool out to the garage door with the door closed. You'll see the torsion spring run horizontally right about the header of the opening.
Right above the door.
And you just one light little cover coat.
I would coat it, the spring fairly good.
Okay.
And then go to each hinge, lubricate the joint on the hinge.
Okay.
And
all
then,
with this product.
All with the same product.
Okay.
And then, although you don't lubricate the wheel, what you can lubricate is the shaft of the roller, because that is another metal-to-metal point where it slides through the hinge. So you want to lube that as well.
And that's where your little red straw comes in, because you'll have to stick it in the side of the hinge to get that shaft lubricated.
Now, do you ever do it while the garage door is moving on the spring, or
No.
do it static?
You always want to do it when the door's down. That way you're not spraying up in the air and getting the splash back in your face or your eyes. You want to stay safe.